Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can chat in game with like people on Valorant. So if you're chatting to your team, you're just going to select /team. If you want to go back to party, you're going to type in /party. And the difference is that when you're chatting with your party, it's like people who are in this like your party group. So for instance, you're doing like this competitive and you're doing it with like two other people. They're going to be your party, and then you will have like two other people and they will be on your team, so they won't be able to see the chat on the party. If you want to like chat to them like privately, you're just going to kind of like select the oh my gosh, I forgot how to chat with like people on team. Wait, like chat people by like adding them. Is it here or press tab, sorry. Press tab and like type in the username and press enter, and then type in whatever you want and just press send. Or you can go to their names on the like on your friend list, right click and then select send message like so. And then I'm also going to show you like in chat you can also like surrender, so like /ff, or to like remake and to copy crosshair /cc. And those are basically the basics. Oops. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!